Hello and welcome. This video is about how to create a ticket.
If you have a problem, you can contact the support. To get to the help screen, I click on the Create Ticket button on the right side of the dashboard. Now you are in the Help Center. In the control bar on the upper side you will find 4 options. The CADSOMA Help Center button will always take you back to the first page. Under the Community tab you can, for example, participate in community discussions, make suggestions for improvements, or ask questions to the community. If you need help with the first steps you will find useful articles under the button categories. For example, there are articles about how to include screenshots in the product description. You can also find useful information about how CADSOMA works or how to book banners. However, if you want to ask a question directly to the support, you can do this via a ticket. You can submit a request via the last blue highlighted button. First you need to specify the subject of your question or request. For example, how do I change my name? After that you can choose under which category your request falls. This step is optional. In the description you have to describe your concern or problem as detailed as possible. To give you a more detailed insight into your problem, you can add explanatory images or screenshots. However, this step is also optional. If you are finished with your request, click on Submit. After that it will be processed by us. If you scroll down a bit on the home page, you can watch popular videos that may already help you solve your problem. Below you will find your last activities, that is, what you did last. Now you know where you can create a ticket or where you can look for help. I wish you a nice day, goodbye.